Hello everyone, are you seeing this error while trying to install a new program on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, if Windows Smart App Control is blocking even a safe application, you can easily fix it. Let's see how to turn it off. First, click on the Start menu on your PC, then open Settings. From the left hand menu, select Privacy and Security. Next, click on Windows Security. Now go to App and Browser Control. Here you will see Smart App Control settings. Click on it. If Smart App Control is currently turned on, switch it to off. If a confirmation pop-up appears like yes, I'm sure, that's it. Smart App Control is now turned off, and this will fix your problem when you will try to install a new program. Now you should be able to install software without any problem. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.